So today in Soul's food corner menu, I have 6 different type of fresh lassi. Lassi is basically traditional chilled yogurt based beverage which is loved by everybody, especially in summer. And today I have 6 flavors of this beautiful lassi. So stay tuned for this lovely recipes. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Soul's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this lovely recipes of lassi. So to make the base of lassi, here I have taken thick curd around 750 grams. I'll be making around 6 type of lassi, so I have taken this much amount. You can alter according to your choice. And the most important tip to make a perfect lassi is that we will not use a blender. We will not grind this or mix this lassi. We will actually churn it. So I am using a hand whisker in this way. I'll just rotate it, and this dahi or yogurt will be beautifully churned, you can see. So this is a very important step. Traditionally, lassi is always churned by using a wooden churner, but here I have used my whisker. It also does the same thing. So once I have churned it nicely, 2 cups of chilled water goes into it, and this mixture should be semi thick. Actually, it should not be too thin or too thick. More thicker the mixture will lead to less absorption of the flavor. So after adding water, again give it a mix nicely. I'll churn it. Now it's ready. Now let's prepare first mango lassi. For mango lassi, I have taken here ripe mangoes around half. Large size mango, I have cut it and chopped it into pieces. In a blender, I'll add the chopped pieces, 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and cardamom powder goes in around 1/4 teaspoon. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water goes in, and all this I'll just blend to make a puree. And believe me, the combination of cardamom and mangoes goes too well. And now this should be a very smooth puree in this way. So my mango puree is ready, and now to make lassi, I have taken a glass. I have added 1 ladle full of dahi or yogurt, and then the puree, that mango puree we had prepared. Now I'll use a small whisker to give it a whisk, and you can also use spoon to mix this puree with dahi or yogurt. And once mixed, I'll again top up with some extra dahi, and you can see how creamy it is. This should be the consistency. Again give it a mix, and now my mango flavored lassi is ready. To garnish it, I have added some mango cubes, 1 cashew nut soaked in warm water, and a beautiful sprinkler goes on top. My very authentic mango lassi is ready. Now a unique flavor of lassi, betel nut lassi or pan lassi. Meetha Paan or sweet pan is a preparation normally used in India, which is eaten after food to aid in digestion. It has some nuts, some areca nut and some sweeteners. I have basically removed the areca nut and taken only the betel leaf and some beautiful stuffing inside. If you don't have this, you can only take the betel leaf, and you can add Gulkand or rose petal jam. To that I have added around 2 tablespoons. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water goes in, and now I'll blend it. If you don't have access to the Meetha Paan or sweet pan preparation, you can only use betel leaf and the sweet mango jam. That will do the work. Now let's prepare the lassi. I have taken a glass, added a ladle full of yogurt at base, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of the puree goes in. Give it a mix, and then once it's mixed nicely, I'll just add more yogurt or dahi and to top it up. You can see, actually I have said earlier, I am using chilled dahi or yogurt. Give it a mix, and to add to the fragrance, 2 to 3 pinch of the syrup that we had prepared, of the pan syrup, that goes in. Some tutti frutti and flavored nuts goes in. I have chopped them, and this looks beautiful. You can see how flavorful and how lovely my pan lassi is looking. Give it a try, you will love it. And then kids favorite chocolate lassi. For that I have taken milk chocolate around 50 gram. You can take milk chocolate of any brand. I'll just cut it into small pieces, so that goes into blender. And cocoa powder 1 teaspoon I have taken. Do not add more cocoa powder, it will result in a bitter syrup. 3 tablespoons of milk mixed with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, that goes in. And now I'll just mix it, and make sure this mixture should be smooth, literally silky smooth. I'll just show you. There should be no pieces of chocolate in it. If by chance there is some pieces, you can add 1 tablespoon more of milk and again mix it. But this puree should be smooth. This is it. And let's prepare the chocolate lassi now. I have taken a glass and I'll add some chocolate syrup around the glass. This will give a very nice jiggly jam effect. In this way, just I'll rotate the glass and add the chocolate syrup, and then I'll pour 1 ladle spoon of the yogurt base that we had prepared, that is common for all the lassis, and then to it I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoon of the prepared chocolate puree. Give it a mix nicely. Every time I am mixing, I am actually using a whisk. You can use a spoon, and then top it up with some beautiful yogurt mixture again, and then you can garnish with some chocolate syrup or some chocolate shavings or choco chips, anything you want. I have used chocolate syrup, and how beautiful it's looking. My flavorful and yummy chocolate lassi is ready, and now I have some salted raw mango lassi. Here I have raw mango. I have actually peeled it, cubed it and boiled it with around half a cup of water. I had taken a large mango, and this will be a base for this raw mango lassi. It's very tasty and tangy. So, and to add to the taste, I have a mango ginger, around 1 inch I'll add, and believe me, the smell of this mango ginger is same as that of raw mango. So if you don't have that, you can add regular ginger, just 1/4 inch of regular ginger. So in a blender goes the pulp of raw mango, ginger, 8 to 10 mint leaves, half of green chilli, black pepper powder, half teaspoon, roasted cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon goes in, and I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoon of water. Salt goes in half teaspoon, regular white salt, and black salt half a teaspoon. So all this amalgamation of spices and flavors will create a magic, and just I need to make a smooth puree out of it, and this is what the puree looks. It boiled raw mangoes or Kairi actually does the trick, and you can see this puree is so smooth. I can enjoy this puree all by itself. I just love the sourness of this puree. And now I'll take a glass, pour 1 ladle spoon of yogurt and 1 to 2 tablespoon of this mixture goes in, and give it a mix, nice mix using a whisk. You can, as I said, you can always use a spoon, and once you have done that, you can top up with some more yogurt mixture, and again give it a mix. And before serving, just sprinkles black pepper powder 1 to 2 pinch, roasted cumin seeds goes around 1 pinch, and do not forget to add a beautiful small piece of mint leaf, and a refreshing raw mango or Kairi flavored lassi is ready. The taste is so refreshing, you will love the flavors. And then comes vanilla banana lassi. Banana, I have taken 1 large banana, ripe banana, chopped it into pieces. I'll add to the blender. Soaked cashew nut 1 tablespoon. I have soaked them in warm water for around 10 to 12 minutes. This goes in, and vanilla essence I have added around 1/4 teaspoon, just 1/4 teaspoon for 2 to 3 glass of vanilla lassi, vanilla mango lassi. 2 to 3 tablespoon of water goes in. You can also add milk at this stage, and just make a nice soft smooth puree. Many people don't add vanilla in banana lassi, but I personally prefer this flavor, so I thought to share this recipe with you. 2 to 3 tablespoon of powdered sugar goes in, depending upon the sweetness of banana. You can adjust the sweetness of lassi, any lassi, flavored lassi according to your choice. And again in the glass I have taken 1 ladle spoon of yogurt mixture, and this banana puree goes inside. Give it a mix using a whisker or a spoon. I'll just mix it, and once I have mixed it, I'll top up with some chilled yogurt again. And the mixture of vanilla and banana is just awesome. It somewhat relates to banana cake, so I just thought to share this recipe. I just love the flavor of both. And mixed dry fruits chopped goes on top, and do not forget to add some beautiful Tutti Frutti. This will enhance the flavor and the look of this lassi. Beautiful vanilla banana lassi is ready. And finally I have Shahi rose lassi, and the trick here is that I have used organic fresh rose petals around 4 to 5. This goes inside the blender, and I have used here rose syrup around 3 tablespoon. You can also use roux afza around 3 tablespoon, and powdered sugar goes in 2 tablespoon or as required, again as per your taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoon of water. And now I'll just make a puree out of it. And the beautiful thing about this puree is that the small pieces of rose, organic rose petals, that will add to the twist of this lassi. So in a glass I have added 1 ladle spoon of yogurt mixture, and 2 to 3 tablespoon of this blended rose puree goes in. Give it a mix nicely, and once it has mixed, I'll add more yogurt mixture. Make sure the yogurt mixture you are adding, it should be chilled, because I have not added any ice cubes, and chilled lassi has its own benefits. So after adding the yogurt mixture, again give it a mix, and do not forget to add 2 to 3 beautiful rose petals. This will just enhance the look of this lassi, and my shahi rose lassi is ready. And as I said, 6 beautiful type of lassi that we have prepared in our home. Almost everything is available in our homes. You will love the amalgamation of flavors, especially the salted lassi with all this sweet lassi, that does the trick. I have tried all these lassis and all are my favorite. To give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And now it's time for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Jalram Krupa. He writes, interesting and unique way you make all recipes. Make more recipes, dishes of various Indian states. Thank you so much Jalram for your lovely comment. Actually, Sue's Food Corner English is all about celebrating the essence of love, the purity of food. So yes, I include all recipes from all cuisines. Stay tuned to see such more beautiful recipes. And today's recipe is an amalgamation of flavors, lovely color, lovely flavors, 6 beautiful flavored yogurt, lovely chilled lassis that will just make your summer more beautiful. So do try out this flavored lassi and let me know your feedback. And if you have liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to my page, share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.